It fire collapsed and Alan is riding his motorcycle in San Francisco. He is riding Vannet Street and come to a stoplight. A referee pull up next to him. He arrives wearing the sunglasses. He looks over at Alan. Alan looks at him and realizes that the driver is Tom Cruise. Tom sneered at Alan. He said, "When the light turns green, let's race." Alan said, "All right, you run." Tom said, "I'm gonna smoke you, sucker." Alan said, "You quit. I'm gonna beat you and your sorry ass car." Alan and Tom went at the light. The race engine. Suddenly, the light turned green. Alan and Tom take off. They zoomed down Barnett at top speed. Tom is winning, but suddenly, blue and red light appear behind Tom. Is the police. They pull him over. Alan zoomed past Tom, laughing. He yelled, "Better luck next time." Alan is the winner.